Here's how to buy Solana on Coinbase, step by step. First, open the Coinbase app or go to coinbase.com and log in or create an account. If it's your first time, complete identity verification. Just follow the prompts and upload your ID. Once you're in, tap Buy at the bottom of the app or click Buy/Sell on the website. In the search bar, type Solana and select Sol from the list. Enter the amount of money you want to spend. You can use a bank card, Apple Pay, or linked bank account. Tap Preview Buy to see the fees and the total amount you'll receive. If everything looks good, tap Buy Now to complete the purchase. Your Solana will be available instantly in your Coinbase wallet, ready to send, trade, or stake. And that's how you buy Solana on Coinbase. Fast, simple, and beginner friendly. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.